Hi, I am Nitish Kumar.
And I'm Vaishnavi. Today we'll be hosting the world through VidyaGyan Lens, where we talk about issues that affect us and the solutions we think could work and everything in between. Do you know India has one of the highest number of women graduating with STEM subjects? Close to 43% women in India are STEM graduates.
But only 14% of them take their careers in STEM. I wonder why the gap between the women who graduate in STEM and who take up the careers in STEM is so vast.
It's because of the systemic gatekeeping of opportunities, societal perceptions, and gender roles.
Yes, I think we start seeing the bias at a very early age. Not only education, but how women interact with science on a daily basis.
Right, exactly. Like only the men in the house will fix the bulb, or only they will talk about numbers and maths.
But we are very glad that a number of initiatives are being taken up to encourage women to take up science.
Absolutely. Like within VidyaGyan Leadership Academy, girls take up science courses just as much as boys. Like when I came to VidyaGyan at the age of 11, I was exposed to science, live workshops and hands-on learning. And by the age of 14, I was writing codes.
Yeah, and more student leaders like Shani Pandey are hosting projects such as Feminist Cosmos that are encouraging more and more girls to take up science.
We hope we'll be able to bridge this wide gap between women graduating with STEM subjects and women building a career in STEM soon.
Stay tuned for the next episode of The World Through the VidyaGyan Lens.